Video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start adding money in your Facebook ad account using just your OPay or Money Point or Kuda or PalmPay. The point is, you no longer need to use ATM card before you can add money. I remember those days that we must have ATM card. Sometimes network might have issue and Facebook will not be able to charge you. Sometimes they will even decline your card. We're having a lot of issues those period. But right now, Facebook has made it so easy that you can easily use your OPay, any of your fintech bank to just make a transfer. It's just a simple transfer, and the money is going to reflect on your Facebook account. You see, why I'm doing this video is because somebody reached out to me a day before yesterday and said, Mr. Paul, I have been struggling to run advert ever since Facebook stopped accepting Naira. My God, I was so surprised. Wait, did Facebook start accepting Naira? And I realized that this person was using a dollar card. So he did not even know that with Naira you can run ad. And he was really very confused. He thought that he cannot run advert again because he must pay in dollars. So you can easily use your OPay, your PalmPay, your Kuda, your Money Point, any of your fintech bank. I don't recommend that you use traditional bank for this because of network issues. Sending money and it's not reflecting. You're contacting support and they're not responding. All of those problems. Don't use traditional bank. Just use your fintech bank the way that wants to make transfer, they can easily reflect. Okay, so how do you add money? Right now I am in my ad account. First of all, anytime you want to add money in your ad account, just come to this side. You see all this, just go to billing and payment. So I'm going to click on billing and payment. It's going to easily take me to where I can add money. This is a very new ad account, so I do not have any money yet. That's why it's saying 0.00. So I'm going to click on add fund. All right, follow me, add fund. Now this is the place you choose the amount. For this particular example, I am just going to add 3,000 because I'm not using this ad account. Add payment method. There are several payment methods. If you choose debit or credit card, you are going to be using postpaid to run your ad, meaning that your advert will run, Facebook will not debit your card. I don't recommend it now. However, you can still do that. If you want to do that, you just choose postpaid and debit. You add your debit card and you can easily pay after your advert has run. The second one is pay by USSD. I literally do not use it as much, even though it still work. The one that I love that is very smooth, very swift, is pay by bank transfer, because an average Nigerian understand what a bank transfer mean. Transfer money to me and I will receive the money. That is what we're doing here. So even if you're not taking, you can still add money to your ad account. All right. So what we need to do now is to choose pay by bank transfer. But before then, let me talk about the last part. This is the one that we're using before Facebook now introduced pay by bank transfer. So pay in Naira with your Verve, your Visa, your MasterCard. Remember what I said. Sometimes because of the network issue from the bank and from the ad account too, your account might be declining your card. You will not be able to add money. Your advert has stopped because there is no fund. I don't like all of those things. The only thing I do now is I just click on pay by bank transfer, click on next. Now, if we follow this process, it's going to give us an account detail like a normal Nigerian bank account. Once you transfer the money with OPay or anything, your money will reflect. So I'm just going to click on open pay by bank transfer. So they are going to give you bank. Sometimes, ad account differs, but I realized that they either use Paystack Titan or they use Pega. For this particular ad account, they attached Paystack Titan. It is okay. It is a very safe. Trust me when I say this. It is safe to transfer. Even if you are transferring 1 million, it is safe. Once you transfer money to this account, make sure that it's the account that they give you. Make sure that the account name is this and make sure that the bank is this. Once you transfer this money, it's going to be reflecting to your own ad account because they have given you a special account number that you can now transfer money to. So let me quickly transfer 3,000 naira to this ad account. Okay, let me quickly do that and I'm going to come back to show you that the money has reflected. All right, so I have just completed adding of the money and the money have reflected. Of course, I added 3,000, but because of the task, I had to remove, I think it's just a very small amount. So this is the easiest way that I add money in 2025. And except they remove that payment by transfer, I kid you not, I am not even going to be adding using any of my card, because another thing with the card is, when you input your card, you are inputting the date, the card detail, the CVV. All of those are very private detail, and you must not actually give it to Facebook. You can just use transfer is very easy. You just transfer money to that account. You are not exposing any of the credentials that you have in your bank, and you are safe. So I just prefer payment by transfer. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this, and if you have not, this is easily one way you can add money to your ad account. Follow me and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can receive every video that I upload on this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.